Hey guys, this is Zach from visionswell.com. Sorry it's been a little bit of time here. This is Odessa, by the way. We just moved into a new house, had some renovations done. I started a new job, so I've had a little bit of time away from YouTube, but I'm really trying to get back into my weekly upload habit. I was sent this item by Maxpedition, 2 items actually, and I just wanted to do a quick unboxing overview of the items. It's the Maxpedition Double Decker EDC Pocket Organizer, as well as the Maxpedition Large US Flag Patch in the SWAT color. So the first thing here is this Maxpedition patch. It's a nice little grayscale American flag. That's what the SWAT color represents. And it has Velcro on the back so that it can stick to the little spot on the front of the Maxpedition pouch. So that Maxpedition pouch, that's the double decker I'm referencing. We'll go over that in a second. But this is a nice rubber material, and it has Velcro on the back. And it seems to be very good quality, and I like the way it looks. It seems to be machined very well. And then this little patch here on the front that's Velcro, it sticks very well too. You could obviously use whatever patch you want, but obviously the Maxpedition ones stick well and fit in well size-wise to their items themselves. As far as Maxpedition itself, I've never actually owned one of their products before. The EDC space is something that's a little bit new to me. I've been big on the backpacks and slings and tech pouches and that kind of stuff, but EDC is everyday carry. That's what it stands for. And it's basically to hold tools and fire-making materials, rope, notebooks, pens, anything that you use in your everyday life that you could put in your pocket, put in your backpack, put in your car, or your gym bag, and just have some spare tools and ways to get out of a jam if you may need them. So let's take a look at what this pouch looks like itself. On the front of the bag, you can see it has this little Velcro patch that closes the little nylon sleeve here, so you could store things externally on the bag, or paperwork or anything you might need to put outside of the bag itself. Then on the back, you have some molly webbing as well as a carry handle that's double stitched very nicely. It looks very durable. The whole thing is made of some nylon, and it feels extremely durable and potentially at least a little water resistant, if not waterproof. There is 2 layers of pockets that are opened and closed by double zippers with paracord pulls. The outside pouch has 2 large slide pockets in the back, as well as some elastic loops in 2 sizes, so you could fit pens and knives, but also like larger things like flashlights and things like that in these back ones. And they both seem to be the same size and have the same kind of elastic loops. So this would be your main tool storage. There's a key leash here with a little plastic clip, so you could put keys or any kind of tools that had a keychain loop on them or a hole where you could attach these, as well as a little attachment loop if you just had a carabiner or something that was attached to a carabiner, or you wanted to potentially hang this up. There's a lot of functionality in these pockets depending on your use case. And then the back pocket is a little bit deeper. So if you had battery pack chargers for your phone, or if you had notebooks or other larger materials or gear that needed a deeper, larger pocket, perfect for that. Doesn't have any organization really, but for anything that's too large to fit in the other pockets. And then this final pocket has a little nylon mesh sleeve, so you could fit more things in here like dongles, cords, things that you don't want flopping around on the inside of the bag but don't need their own dedicated pocket in the front. So that's nice. As far as what I'm going to use this for, I'm going to do a full review in the future, probably in the next week or so, and load this out with what I would carry in my everyday carry. And it's very personal for each person, so depending on your needs, what type of work you do, where you may be putting this bag, it could be survival, it could be, first aid kits, it could be tools, it could be a tech pouch even if you needed it for that. There's a ton of different uses for these kind of bags, and I'm excited to kind of play around with it and decide what I want to put in mine, but I'll definitely put that together. And if you guys have experience with Maxpedition, or you want to tell me what's in your EDC loadout, please feel free to comment that below because I love fostering that kind of discussion. And then as far as, my upload schedule, I'm looking to upload weekly moving forward as much as possible. I apologize for the lapse there. And I'm looking forward to checking out more gear with you guys and also loading this out and showing you what I load up in it. There's affiliate links below to both this patch as well as this pouch. Feel free to use the affiliate links. They give me a little bit of a kickback and I really would appreciate that. But if you don't wish to do that, go ahead and just search these products on your own and buy them. They're quality products from what I can see just from the unboxing. But yeah, let me know your experiences with them and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks as always for watching. Take care.